This is the Genesis GV80. The infotainment system in your Genesis offers easy smartphone integration using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Start by connecting your smartphone to the USB-C data port. The infotainment system may ask you to unlock the phone when connecting with the vehicle. If prompted, be sure to approve Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity. When using a compatible smartphone, a prompt may appear asking if you'd like to enable wireless connectivity as well. After connecting, the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto home screens should automatically appear. In some cases, you may need to press Home and then select either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to initiate the connection. To set up a new wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay connection, as well as call and audio streaming, start by pairing your phone via Bluetooth. Start by pressing Setup, then Device Connections, and then select Add. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on and active on your smartphone device. Ensure that the Bluetooth pairing codes match on the phone and vehicle screen. For the best experience, it is recommended to sync contacts and messages with your smartphone if prompted. Compatible smartphones will next display a prompt asking if you'd like to enable wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto connectivity. If enabled, Apple CarPlay or Android Auto should automatically connect and display on the infotainment screen. Wireless connectivity will be saved and connect automatically each time the vehicle is turned on and a registered smartphone device is connected. Once connected, to return to the Genesis in-car infotainment system, head to the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto home screen and then press the Genesis icon. Pressing the Map, Nav, Radio, Media, Setup, or Home buttons will also switch directly to the corresponding infotainment screen. To return to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, press the Home button in the center console and then use the touchscreen or central control knob to select it. When connected to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you can activate their native voice assistants by pressing and holding the voice recognition button on the right side of the steering wheel. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.